Here are some highlights from the October issue of Pumper magazine. From corporate executive to king of the Puget Sound pump out, Paul Wayne built a business around a weird little idea, pumping waste tanks on pleasure boats. He's found success with fast boats, smart scheduling, and a no-nonsense attitude towards service. The result? Hundreds of gallons pumped daily, year-round service, and a reputation for reliability that keeps customers coming back. Don't let sloppy sampling sabotage your work. We break down exactly where, when, and how to take wastewater samples so you can troubleshoot systems, stay compliant, and look like a pro in the process. Your business can't grow solo. Here's how to hire people you can trust, respect, and actually enjoy working with. Sulfur, bacteria, and bad aggregate, the trifecta that eats away at your tanks. Learn what to watch for and how to fight back. From manatee protection in Florida to new grants in New York, septic rules and funding are shifting fast. Here's what every pumper needs to know. She's been designing septic systems for 30 years, but Carol Ohm says the real challenge isn't the soil, it's getting the next generation in the field. Steel tank, 600 horsepower engine, leather seats. This isn't your grandpa's septic truck. Meet the powerhouse behind Country Pumpers in Wisconsin, the classy truck of October. Big rigs, smart tanks, odor-busting tech, and more. See what's new in the world of portable sanitation and septic work. These tools put your septic business on autopilot, like this QR code trick that gives real-time feedback straight from the users. Field questions? No sweat. Franklin Electric's new app feature puts a pro in your pocket. Looking to upgrade your rig or buy a turnkey septic business? Check out the Pumper Classifieds. Use trucks, gear, and businesses for sale, all in one place. All this and much more in the latest issue of Pumper magazine, free for pumpers like you. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Pumper. See you next month.